Hey YouTube, what's up? Me and Rocky are just gonna show you guys a couple cars. He's like, put me down, Dad, please. Okay, anyways, I got two mystery machines. I found three. I gave one to Hellspawn, and I sold these two on eBay. One for $7, one for $9. I'm starting to sell some stuff on eBay. Just replenish my money that I spent on my Hot Wheels, you know. I got a Walmart exclusive Maverick Grabber. I got the Aston Martin Walmart exclusive Redline. I got the Dodge Challenger Concept. Pretty sweet. And that's all I got. Oh yeah, and I got a Fire Chief because the first one that I had I opened and I did a wheel swap. So I got another one of them to keep carded. Got a couple Matchbox, which I think are pretty cool. I don't really buy Matchbox, but I had to have this one. Whole fire truck. What's it called? The Seagrave fire engine. And I got the 71 Pontiac Firebird Formula 1. Like the tampos on that. Pretty slick car. Man, I got had to have this, the cement mixer. I thought this was really cool too. Then I got some Johnny Lightnings. I got the yellow taxi cab. I opened that, and then I got this 1982 Chevy Citation pizza delivery. And then I got the Demolition Derby, Popeye's Pub. Pretty sweet. And then I did a wheel swap. This Corvette and this Camaro. This Camaro is ugly as hell, in my opinion. So what I did was I used the Real Riders and put them on that bad boy, and it rolls just perfect. Looks like the same exact car, just with rubber tires, and then I put the plastic tires that were on this car on this one. So, alright guys, not much, but hope you enjoy. Peace out.